Hello and welcome to GM-BIST construction. Today we are going to learn how to carry out our settings. These settings are known as initial settings, which you are supposed to carry or you are supposed to have done before you begin your drawings, your designs, or any work in your Autocad. So units, we are going to start with units. Units are used to measure a physical quantity such as mass or length. Uh, in physics, we use them to quantify magnitude of quantities. When weighing a product, you measure the physical properties of such weight using the unit mass with the standard unit being kilogram or pound or some. We measure length. We can measure so many dimensions with our unit. So it's very important that before you do anything in AutoCAD, you have to set your unit. So you go to your command bar, just type unit. Yeah, you change the precision to 0. You allow your length type to be in decimal, and you change this one to millimeters, your unit. Uh, this should be international and decimal. Click OK. The next will be limits. 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 You can see it here. Enter. So limits are or limit is defined as a value that a function approaches the output of the given input value. Limits are important in anything you do. You have a starting point and the ending point. So you should know your starting point and where to end, the boundary to which you are going to work. So here, specify the lower left corner, the limit of the lower left corner. So this one will be 0, 0, enter. Upper right corner, we say let's say 250, 450, enter. So the next thing you will be specifying now is your zoom. So there are options here. Your zoom, are you going to zoom center or center, dynamic, extend, previous, scale, window, objects? Also, we are going to, if you have one work, we zoom it all. So we just type all, enter. So if you have to begin your design, your drawings, and anything in AutoCAD, it's best that you create your layers. You can either type your layer property or you go to your toolbar and from here you see your layer property, or you can just type layer, enter. So you come to new, you create your layer. Let's say line, and we give it a color. So let's say this red. Okay. You can specify the type of line you want, the line width. There's so many line widths here. So for me, I will leave it on default. Okay. You can still go on and on to create so many layers as much as possible. You want to depend on what you want to do. I can create this boundary, and I will come here, the color, specify another color. I can still give it a line width. So if you are done, just close. Then if I pick my rectangle now and I want to draw, once I pick my rectangle, I go here, I set my layer. So this is my rectangle. Now if I want to know the properties of my rectangle now, I can just click it, then I go to property. Yes, you can see from the layer here is the line. So I can go on and on to do so many things. Let me escape. Create my cycle. Okay. Yes, if I forget to change my layer property here, I can actually highlight it go to property, I click here and assign my layer series. So I can decide to freeze one of them, not making it not to be active. Anywhere, anything I want to actually do, I can play around now. I can take my dimensions. So now, let me erase this. Let me try to take the dimensions. Yes, you can see my dimension is not clear enough. What I will do is I will try to set it there. Then I go dimension star. Okay. So I'll go to new. Let me see. Standard. Don't change. Okay, standard is already there. For standard so I'll go to modify. Under modify, I will go to symbols. Let me increase my arrow. Okay, it's okay. I don't like the standard fee. I will choose architectural tick. I prefer this. Architectural tick. Uh, Text. I'll increase the text height. So that sure 100. All my dimensions should be placed at the center. Fit. Either yes. Primary unit. The precision. Just 10. I'm okay with this. Then I'll go set score and I close. So let me measure again. This is what I have. 200. So you can see that my diagram, my drawing was actually small. If I'm not comfortable with this, I can still edit it. Uh, Let me remove it. Let me try drawing something. Put more just now. I'm typing on file. This is what I have. So let me try dimension this. If this it's so big, I can still edit it. And go to modify. Or just reduce the text size. Let me see. 100. Set score. So I think this is okay. So I can actually reduce this the tick too. So whatever you want to do, you can just play around. If you don't like this, you set another one. So thank you.